Testing garden tools in the North Georgia mountains presents unique challenges, making it crucial to have the right equipment. Recently, I tested 3 recommended tools from Grootpow: the Hori Hori Garden Knife, the premium Bypass Pruning Shears, and the Weed Puller tool. The Hori Hori Garden Knife impressed me with its strength and adaptability. The knife features a 7.1-inch stainless steel blade with dual edges, sharp and serrated, making it perfect for various tasks, from digging and weeding to cutting through roots. The full tang construction provided remarkable stability, especially in tough clay soil around my property. Its ergonomic TPR handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip even during extended use. Additionally, the blade's measurement markings were invaluable for precise planting. This knife felt balanced and sturdy, making it a reliable, all-purpose gardening tool. First, let's dive into the details of the Hori Hori Garden Knife. This tool is designed for a variety of gardening tasks and excels in each one. Its 7.1-inch blade, made of high-quality 420 stainless steel, is both durable and corrosion resistant. This means that even after repeated use in damp soil or during rainy weather, the blade retains its sharpness and integrity. The dual-edge design is particularly useful. One side is sharp and precision ground for cutting through sod and root systems, while the other side is serrated, making it ideal for sawing through tougher materials like brush and small branches. This dual functionality allows the Hori Hori knife to replace several other tools in the gardening toolkit. The full tang construction of the Hori Hori knife, with a 0.12-inch thick stainless steel blade, can withstand up to 130 pounds of force. This impressive strength allows the knife to resist bending, even when used for prying in heavy soil or cutting through tough roots. The handle, made of TPR thermoplastic rubber, is ergonomically designed to reduce hand and wrist pain, which is a significant advantage during long gardening sessions. The non-slip material ensures a secure grip even when the handle is wet or muddy. The handle also features a flared handguard, providing an extra layer of safety by preventing your hand from slipping onto the blade. In practical use, the Hori Hori knife proved invaluable. Whether I was digging up weeds, cutting through stubborn roots, or planting new seedlings, the knife handled each task with ease. The included Oxford sheath provided convenient storage and portability, allowing me to carry the knife safely around the garden. Next, I tried the premium Bypass Pruning Shears, which proved to be a delight. These shears featured SK5 carbon steel blades coated with Teflon, ensuring sharpness and durability. Their unique 4-point pivot design made cutting significantly easier, even through thicker branches. The blades cut cleanly without crushing stems, and the ergonomic handle reduced wrist strain. The shears' lightweight aluminum construction made them easy to handle, and the one-hand locking mechanism provided safety and convenience. These shears performed exceptionally well on various plants, including roses and raspberry canes. In practical use, the premium Bypass Pruning Shears excelled in every task. They easily sliced through branches up to 5/8-inch thickness, making clean, precise cuts without crushing or mangling the stems. This precision is crucial for the health of your plants, as clean cuts heal faster and reduce the risk of disease. The shears performed exceptionally well on a variety of plants, from delicate rose twigs to tougher raspberry canes. The inclusion of 2 chrome steel springs as replacement parts is a thoughtful addition, ensuring the longevity and consistent performance of the shears. Finally, I tested the Weed Puller tool, which was a game changer for removing weeds without bending or kneeling. Its 40-inch handle allowed me to stand upright, significantly reducing back strain. The tool's 3-claw design effectively gripped the weeds and removed them, roots and all. The automatic retractable spring and sliding handle system made it easy to release weeds after pulling them. With a robust cast iron pull and fiberglass foot pedal, the tool felt durable and reliable even in demanding conditions. The ergonomic L-shaped handle provided excellent control and comfort, making it ideal for anyone with back pain or mobility issues. The Weed Puller tool's innovative design includes an automatic retractable spring device and a convenient sliding handle that form a weeding release system. This system allows you to release the weeds after removing them, truly making the process hands-free. This design reduces the need for bending or stooping, which is especially beneficial for gardeners with chronic back pain or other mobility issues. In practical use, the weed puller tool proved highly effective in easily removing dandelions, crabgrass, thistles, and chickweed, pulling them from the roots. The automatic retractable spring and sliding handle made it easy to release the weeds after pulling them, reducing mess and simplifying the weeding process. The tool's robust construction, with a 165-pound load capacity, ensured it could withstand the demands of my garden without breaking or rusting. The foldable foot pedal was a convenient feature, making the tool easy to store and adjust, even on slopes. In conclusion, each of these Grootpow tools excelled in the challenging gardening conditions of the North Georgia mountains. The Hori Hori Garden Knife, with its robust construction and adaptable functionality, made gardening tasks like digging, cutting, and planting more efficient and enjoyable. The premium Bypass Pruning Shears, with their sharp blades and ergonomic design, provided clean, precise cuts with minimal effort, enhancing the health and appearance of my plants. The weed puller tool, with its innovative design and durable construction, made weeding less strenuous and more effective, eliminating the need for bending or kneeling. Whether you're an avid gardener or just starting, these tools are worth considering for your gardening arsenal. Their thoughtful design, robust construction, and practical functionality make them valuable additions to any garden. These tools have not only made my gardening task more manageable, but also enhanced my overall gardening experience, making it more enjoyable and rewarding.